Go ahead, get in.
In the pool?
Yeah, are you in the pool?
Yeah. I pee.
Are you are you peeing in the pool? That's okay. It's no big deal.
Faucet. Dad, I peed. I peed.
Peed?
Yeah.
Yucky.
Oh, you.
It's just a leaf, honey. No,
Yeah,
you're
got most of the stuff out.
you're okay. I'm recording.
Faucet.
Is it okay?
He doesn't like the dirt on the bottom.
Wash what? Wash the dirt?
Honey, just get in the water. It's okay. Is he a firstborn or what? Did Daddy fix it?
There you go.
Hey, Declan, why don't you swim a little? I'm recording you for Grandma and Papa.
Oh, that's all my dirt. That's all my dirt.
Honey, the dirt won't hurt you.
It's okay.
It's clear on the bottom.
It's okay.
Wash
It's
it.
okay. It's okay, Bubba. Where? Where? Show Daddy.
Oh, you're such a girl. Get in the water.
Okay, did Daddy get it?
Yeah.
You'll run around in your own poop, but you won't sit it.
Sit on dirt, right?
Oh, my dirt.
Honey.
Bubba, just get in the water.
Get in the water.